Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video, JMDC. Today I'm going to be talking about the Mavic Pro 2 controller, the DJI Crystalsky mount with the DJI 5.5 Crystalsky screen. I just received my Mavic 2 today and I was so excited, but quickly became disappointed when I found out that DJI has not yet released a firmware that is compatible with the Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom for that matter. And on top of that, I also found out that the Mavic Pro mount, the mount for the Crystalsky that fit on the Mavic Pro, does not fit on the new Mavic 2. As you can see, the holes don't line up. They're a lot smaller on the controller. So what I did was came up with a temporary quick fix with minimum damage to the controller as well as minimum stress to the monitor by using a couple of straps and removing the screws off the mount. With that said, let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you how to do this. First thing you want to do is take off the screws from the mount. Place them aside, and you will not be using the original mount that goes inside the controller on the Mavic Pro. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to take one of your straps, slide it in through here, just put it on the side there like that. Take another strap, slide it in through here, and put it over on the side there. Okay, you guys can see that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take and place this strap right here on this side, slide it in there, just leave it hanging like that, and take this strap over here and slide it in here like this. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to take your mount, okay, slide one end into the hole over here and slide the other end on the opposite side. Pull them over this way, take your strap, slide it in, start tightening them up, leave a little slack so you can get the other side on. Okay, bring them down. Like that, you see that? Line your mount up and then tighten it up. Same on this side. And there you go. Now what you want to do is just give them a little bit of a tighten. Use a little needle nose to just give them a squeeze them a little bit, so that it feels a little snug. Without damaging the controller, putting any scratches on it. Can you guys see that? Okay, and then using a pair of cutters, go ahead and cut off here. Let's make sure it has a little bit of snug. So you see I'm actually picking it up and moving it around. It actually could use a little more tightening. Okay, that feels a little better. Line it up, cut your straps off, okay, and take your monitor, slide it on, make sure to plug your cable in, and power it on. There you go. Looks good. Let me know your thoughts on this. This is my first time doing a video on anything related with drones. Be kind in the comments, please. And all I ask is that you guys subscribe. I'll have some more videos as I come across more hacks that we can do for these new Mavics. Thank you for watching. James DC out.